going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here. Another unboxing video. Just got this off of eBay, and a lot of you guys and gals may have already seen this. I noticed in the description for the listing, item, auction, whatever you want to call it, that the amplifier looked a little weird. So I clicked on the pictures and got to looking at it and ended up noticing that the amplifier was longer than what it needed to be. So I got to looking at the pictures and noticed that they ended up having, the description of it was pretty good, but it didn't make sense because it said something about wire cover, something like that. So basically what it is it was an amplifier and an end cap, and I ended up picking these up because the end cap, I don't think that the people knew that the end cap wasn't supposed to go with the amplifier. So it was one of those lucky buy type things. So to start it all off, if I can get this open. Holy moly, this thing's done up pretty good. So basically we have the end cap, and I paid less than, in my opinion, than what the link alone is worth. The link has all, this one's got a little bit of metal shavings in here, but the link has all the original screws to it with the exception of one, which is missing, which isn't a big deal. I actually have these. The other item here is the amplifier, and we'll open this up. I can figure out where to cut it open here. Usually I try to save the bubble wrap to reuse it whenever I sell other items. I'll be honest with you, I've got such a huge pile of bubble wrap right now. Don't even really care about it anymore. This is packed pretty good. I'd have to give them an A for packing. Not quite the packing that I would do. I mean, there'd be some pool noodle around this puppy, but still not too bad. So, and here we have a Rockford Fosgate Punch 4020 amplifier. It's actually in pretty good shape. I'm actually really surprised. The warranty stickers are still intact. Both of the plugs are here. The sticker for the model number and stuff is still intact. It's actually a pretty clean looking amplifier. There is some paint chips on here on the side. For those of you that don't know, this amplifier is a 4-channel amp. It's rated at 20 watts by 4. At 4 ohms with less than 0.05 total harmonic distortion, and then 30 watts by 4 into 2 ohm with 0.1 total harmonic distortion, or THD. So we'll get this hooked up and tested, make sure that it works, and more than likely, let's take a look here and just do a real quick once over. Alright, luckily everything's turned down, so a lot of times, well, yeah, there we go. A lot of times whenever I buy amplifiers, the gains are turned all the way up and things are messed up all around, but this one doesn't look too bad. I was actually thinking about selling this and keeping the link, but I may end up keeping them both. So anyway, that'll do it for today. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave me a comment below. Otherwise, have a good one, guys.